Hi guys, this is Professor Dudu with Express again. Today we're going to talk about noisy water pipes. So if you notice sometimes when you turn your water off, you hear a loud bang in the walls. What's happening is a hammer effect on your pipes when water turns off or suddenly changes directions. There's no need for panic because this problem, if you just notice it happening, will take a long time for the pipes to fail from banging and moving and all the other stuff. It's easy to fix though. You can install a hammer arrestor that will help alleviate the problem.